Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mini Cooper gear knob. First, gather all your necessary tools like a trim removal tool and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Mini is parked safely with the parking brake engaged. It's also a good idea to protect your interior with a cloth to prevent any scratches during the process. Being prepared makes the job much smoother. Next, you'll need to detach the gear boot. For most Mini models, you can gently pry up the plastic trim ring around the base of the boot using a plastic prying tool or a taped-off flathead screwdriver. Once the trim is loose, carefully pull the entire boot upwards to reveal the gear shift shaft underneath. Be mindful of any wiring, especially in automatic models. Now it's time to remove the knob itself. For manual Mini Coopers, the knob is typically press-fit and held by tension. Grip the knob firmly with both hands and pull straight up with force, without twisting. For automatic models, you might need to disconnect a wire connector for the shift lock mechanism and remove any clips or buttons before pulling the knob upwards. After removing the old gear knob, take a moment to inspect the shifter stalk for any wear, dirt, or damage. Clean the area thoroughly to ensure a smooth installation for your new knob. When installing a replacement, align it correctly and push down firmly until it snaps into place. Some aftermarket knobs may use set screws or other fastening methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.